So many of our students come into law school with a passion, and we view it as our responsibility to help direct them and put that passion into practice. Whether it's going into public interest work, working for the government, working in community building or community organizing, working in a law firm, working in a corporate setting, we want to make sure that the student finds in their 2 or 3 years with us, finds their passion and finds the skills that they need to put that passion into practice as they go out into the world to make a difference.
I would say Gonzaga Law is special because it's a smaller school, it feels a lot more intimate, it's a beautiful campus, studying right over in the library over the Spokane River. It's great to look out at. Spokane's a great town. It's large enough that it has some entertainment and events, but it's close to the outdoors if you like snowboarding. And you get all this without the traffic. So I really like it here.
My job as a chaplain is to help people, to walk with them, and to help them become the best of who they are. My role, and I think most of our role here on campus, is to make sure that you're the best person you can be.
We are so lucky to have 2 centers. We have a Center for Civil and Human Rights, and we have a Center for Law, Ethics, and Commerce. Both of them bring in speakers that would otherwise be very difficult for our students to access. So they've heard from the founder of Black Lives Matter, they've heard from Kimberly Crenshaw. The kind of opportunities they get to not only increase their understanding of our profession, but to simply see an array of different ways in which to use their legal degree is sort of invaluable.
There's no doubt that pursuing a law degree is a challenging experience, both personally and professionally. The good news is we have an array of resources to help you along your journey. Starting from your first day in orientation, you're going to meet our Assistant Dean of Students, our Assistant Dean of Career Services. Both of them are well suited from the get-go to be supportive of your experience here. Our job is to help you succeed, and we take that very seriously in terms of preparing you for job interviews, making sure that you have a work-life balance, making sure that you are learning more than just through your professors, although that's an important component too. We put you in touch with our alumni network. We put you in touch with practicing attorneys across the region who want to see you succeed.
So I did visit the other schools in Washington because I knew early on that I wanted to stay in this area. And they were great schools. I left each of them thinking they were contenders. And then I visited actually Gonzaga last, just seeing how faculty were talking with students in the halls very casually and very openly. It just felt very inviting and friendly. And that's not something that you really assume law school is like based off of the stereotypes. Welcoming is not really something that comes to mind. And so I saw that here and I thought that was unique. And I knew that I wanted to be a part of that culture.